Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are going to be making ratatouille. This is one of my go-to side dishes. Not only does it look incredible, it is also delicious. One thing I like about this dish, guys, you can plan ahead. It tastes better the next day. This is a delicious tomato garlic based recipe that is topped with summer vegetables like onions, eggplant, yellow squash, zucchini, tomatoes, and seasonings. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, chop rosemary and thyme, then set aside. Once we are done with the herbs, now we're gonna move on to make the sauce. In a medium pot, heat olive oil, saute onions until they are soft and translucent. This should take between 3 to 4 minutes. Then add minced garlic. Continue to saute for 1 minute. Then add tomato paste. Add fresh rosemary and thyme and continue to stir. Stir in crushed tomatoes and continue to stir until the ingredients are fully incorporated. Season with garlic and black pepper seasoning and salt to taste. Allow the tomato sauce to cook for 5 minutes, then remove it from the heat. Now let me show you the vegetables you'll need for this recipe. Here I have red onions, zucchini, Chinese eggplant, tomatoes, yellow squash, and thyme. So most of work goes into slicing the vegetables. To make that part easier, try using mandolin slicer so that you can have same size sliced vegetables with the same thickness. I aim slices to be about 1/4 inch thick. Let's listen to the music while I'm prepping all these vegetables. Now we are done slicing all the vegetables. What we are going to do next is to pour the tomato sauce into the base of the baking dish, just like so, guys. So next, arrange sliced veggies alternating patterns on top of the sauces from outer edge to the middle of the pan. Now season with salt and black pepper. Isn't it beautiful, guys? That looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and make herb seasoning. In a small bowl, combine together olive oil, basil, rosemary, and thyme. Then we're gonna brush the seasoning over the vegetables. Now cover the baking dish with a parchment paper with a vent on top and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour until vegetables are softened. I just pulled this out of the oven, guys. I can't wait to dig into it. It looks so amazing. I like to finish this with Parmesan cheese. Now it's time for taste test. Guys, I'm telling you, this is amazing. It's so delicious, flavorful and filling, and a great way to eat more veggies. How about giving this mama a smile just by liking the video, then share it with your friends on social media. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.